Yeah. Larry's Crazy World. Look at my drawing, baby.
Let's go!
Today we're gonna make it my own slime. Here we have the slime kit. We have first these.
Wow!
And then we have first glue. Then we have some water. We have to stuff this. First I'm gonna put some white glue. Yay!
Yeah!
Whoa! I'm gonna put some baking soda on my slime.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Now I'm gonna put my activator. A little bit like that. It's shaking. Yo! My slime is ready.
Wow! We have some sticky slime. Right, Larry?
First, I'm gonna put the glow in the dark bottle. Whoa! It's color. Ah! Ah! It's rainbow. I'm gonna make all my colors. Yeah. I make it orange, that poopy. Ah! My slime is ready. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Ah! Ah! I have a friggin' attacking. Ah! Ah! Subscribe to my channel.